Now that you have learned about start and end events, activities, and exclusive gateways, it's time to look at how we organize processes using pools and lanes. Because in real life, processes don't just float in the air. Someone actually does the work. And that's where pools and lanes come in. They help us to show who is responsible for which part of the process. A pool represents a participant in the process, typically an organization, a company, or an external partner. For example, if you are modeling a process between a customer and a company, each side gets its own pool. And inside a pool, we can add lanes to show how tasks are divided within the organization. For example, by department, role, or even system. And each lane contains the elements that are carried out by that specific group. So tasks, events, and gateways are placed in their specific lane, so it's always clear who is responsible. So to recap, pools represent different participants, and lanes represent roles or departments within a participant. This structure makes your process models clear, organized, and easier to understand. If you enjoyed this video and want to become truly confident in process modeling, check out my complete BPMN Masterclass on Udemy. The link is in the description below.